Are you tired of LinkedIn broadcasting every little bit of your professional life to anybody out there on the internet? Today I want to take you through 3 steps to protect your professional privacy here on LinkedIn, and you can implement them right now. So the first thing I want you to do is go to your Me drop-down menu at the top and click on View Profile here. You will see Public Profile and URL over here. This is where not only can you edit your privacy settings in here for your profile, but you can also actually change your custom URL. So if you want to change your URL, that's your own personal link for LinkedIn, go to the pencil at the top here, click on the pencil, just click on this here, and you can remove the string of numbers and letters at the end of your name. But what I want to show you is this bit over here is your public profile settings. And this is how you edit your visibility on LinkedIn. So if you turn this off, people cannot see your public profile off of LinkedIn. If you turn it to on, now this is what people will see. You'll notice that my face has disappeared here, so it automatically sets it that your profile photograph is only available to all LinkedIn members here. So what I want to do is change that to change my photograph to public, which means if someone Googles me in the search results, this shows up with my face over here. So while you're on this section, just go and check all of these different areas that you want people to see. So for example, if we click Hide Summary, now my entire About section disappears. When we click on, it reappears. So you get the idea. I have my articles showing on my LinkedIn profile. Scroll down and we put back to add, you will see all of my articles here. I highly recommend this because your articles, your long form pieces of content on LinkedIn are very searchable on the internet. So if you are writing them, that's your newsletter and your articles, make sure that they are available for people to see. So your newsletter goes under articles as well as actual articles. So that is the first place I want you to check on your profile. And then I want you to hop back over to your LinkedIn profile. And the next place we're going to go to is actually called Settings and Privacy. So Me drop-down menu, go down to Settings and Privacy here, click on the button, and it takes us to this screen here. On the left-hand menu under Settings, I want you to go down to Visibility, which is the third option down. And we're looking at this first piece here, your profile viewing options. If you want to be able to view people's profiles on LinkedIn anonymously, this is where you go. Click on the right hand side and what others can see when you've viewed their profile. So it may be somebody who is in competition for the same job as you, it may be somebody that you're interested in having them as a client, or they're working with your client. You can go in here and instead of having your name and headline showing, and it literally says this is what others will see, you can change it to private profile characteristics and people will see this information here, or I usually have mine set to private mode so people cannot see at all if I'm looking at their personal profile on LinkedIn. Okay, the other thing I want you to go to in here to protect your professional privacy on LinkedIn is to go down here and this section that says share job changes, education changes, and work anniversaries from your profile. Click on that, and this is your key profile updates. Now, LinkedIn keeps this as standard set to off, so you can turn it off and you can turn it to on. So if you're changing your job, your education, etc., it's going to share those profile updates with your network. I'm not going to have that set to on, so I'm going to change it to off. And you can just see quickly that's what the setting is on here. There are a lot of visibility options in here to check. Do go through them one by one. Page owners exporting your data could be relevant to you. That's where people can literally export your data. And it says here, you can access your profile information for management of page using third-party developer tools, which is controlled by the off LinkedIn visibility setting. Let's just click on that and see exactly what that is. So are we allowing people for services such as Outlook? And that's on or off. And that's because Outlook is owned by Microsoft, who also own LinkedIn. And they are saying our partnerships and developer program. So worth investigating that, guys, to see if that's something you also want to access. Hopefully this is going to really help you to tighten up your professional profile and your visibility on LinkedIn. If you have any questions, please do post them down below.